Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, so I'm just gonna jump right into this video and show you guys how I do my brother Majo his curly hair routine. As you can see, his hair is super dry. It needs that moisture and shine and bouncy curls. So if you want to see how I get these results, just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by washing his hair just with water, making sure his hair is fully wet before going in with the Creme of Nature with Argan oil from Morocco, sulfate-free, moisture and shine shampoo that hydrates and detangles his hair. Now I'm just going to take a little bit and shampoo his hair twice just to make sure that it's clean and there's no product buildup or anything like that. And then afterwards, go in with water and wash the shampoo out. After I wash the shampoo out, I'm just going to go in. First, I'm going to towel dry it a little bit so it's a little bit damped. And go in with the Creme of Nature with Argan oil from Morocco for natural hair, apple cider vinegar, clarifying rinse. So the Creme of Nature apple cider vinegar has no sulfates, no silicones, no mineral oils, no petroleum, has also no alcohol, and you don't have to dilute it or mix it with anything else. So it actually, like I said, it gently removes the product buildup without stripping the moisture from your hair, and it has a really cool sensational effect on your scalp. So you just leave it in, like I said, 1 to 3 minutes and rinse it out with water. So after towel drying his hair, I noticed that his hair is super soft, is even moisturized, and is detangled as well, and his curls are starting to come true. So the next step is going in with the Creme of Nature with Argan oil from Morocco, the intensive conditioning treatment that strengthens, imparts moisture, and prevents hair breakage. Now I'm going section per section, making sure that the conditioning cream is in each section, and yeah, just working in sections makes it much easier. And if you don't like finger detangling it with the Creme of Nature conditioning cream, you can afterwards use your detangler brush, as I'm going to show it in a bit, and go in making sure that the cream is in each section, because sometimes you can miss a spot, and you don't want to do that. So I'm just going to continue working my way throughout the hair, making sure that the cream is all in his hair. So after applying the intensive conditioning treatment in his hair, I'm going to place a shower cap on his hair and let it sit in for about 15 to 20 minutes with the hooded dryer. But if you don't have a hooded dryer, you can just let it sit in with your shower cap for about 45 minutes so you have that deep conditioning feeling, and afterwards wash it out with lukewarm water, no shampoo. So after I wash the deep conditioning treatment out with lukewarm water, no shampoo, I'm going to go in with my Creme of Nature with Argan oil from Morocco, the Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner that has a dual action for strength and exotic shine. I'm going to make sure that I spray it all over his hair, in his hair, and then afterwards just massage it into his hair so he has that good feeling, So moving on to the next step, I'm going to use the Put in Perfection, the Curl Enhancing Cream from Creme of Nature for curls, coils, and kinks. And as you can see, my container is actually empty. So I went to purchase a sample, which the sample has a lot of product for a sample. And I'm going to put the Put in Perfection all over his hair, making sure that each strand is covered with the Put in Perfection. Now this is a soft, flexible hold, and it's actually perfect. So no need to after apply gel. You can use gel, but actually it's not really necessary. As you can see, I already went ahead and did finger coils by using my fine comb and my fingers, wrapping the hair around my fingers to get those coils. It's really that easy. But I'm going to show you guys in depth how I get those finger coils. So I start off by sectioning the hair into a section. I pin it down with my section clip so it's not in the way, using my detangler brush, making sure that the hair is well detangled, and going in with my fine comb, making sure it's really smooth. Then afterwards, I just go into little sections, wrapping the hair around my finger, making those cute little coils. As you can see, I just wrap the hair around my fingers, making those curls. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing that and come back when I'm all done. Alright, for the last step, I'm going to use the Creme of Nature Smooth and Shine Polisher that eliminates frizz and seals in the exotic shine. And afterwards, I'm going to use my African pick comb with metal teeth for extra more volume. And voila, you guys, moisturized, bouncy, healthy looking shiny curls. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.